Hello friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. Today's video is just gonna be part of my Throwback Thursdays series where I just play with old stuff. In this case, I wanted to do something just very green. I just wanted to play with eyeshadow, and I hope you enjoy. Feel free to do your makeup with me, throw me on as background noise, maybe dig through your collection, see what greens you have. I love green eyeshadow, and this was a lot of fun to do, so I hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. Hello. Let's get into this look. According to the poll that I ran, the top two winners for what I'm going to use for this video are the Unearthly Sorceress Smoke and the Nomad Cosmetics Ireland Atlantic Way palettes. Very excited to pair these together and just do a very yummy green look. I'm thinking just very smoky. Obviously lots of green, maybe a little pop of gold on the lower lash line. I also have this little pack of face gems from Diveroon, so we'll probably add some green gems into the mix. I'm excited. I think it's gonna be fun. I just wanted to kind of keep this classic and old school today for this Throwback Thursdays video and just do an eye look, you know? Just keep it classic, simple. We're just gonna play with eyeshadow. I'm gonna start by priming with the Sand Seal base from Dede Signature. I'm just gonna plop that on my lids and blend it out. How is your March going so far? Let me know. Let me know what's going on. Let me know what's new. I would love to know. Do you have anything fun and exciting this month? Tell me all about it. I feel like for the most part, this month is going to be pretty mellow for us. We do have a concert later this month, and I think we're going to Disney for the last time before our passes expire this month, so I think those are our only two things. Other than that, I think we're keeping it pretty low key, which honestly, I'm excited about. I kind of want to just like do fun little cozy activities, maybe go on a couple picnics before the weather gets too terrible in Florida, maybe go on some like nature trail walks and stuff again before the weather gets too terrible here in Florida. It's already getting pretty hot, but we're in the sweet spot where, you know, the mornings and the evenings are still kind of nice. I'm going to enjoy it while I can. So I'm going to start with the Nomad Ireland palette. I really like this one, and I'm so excited to be revisiting it. I want to start with the Blarney Stone shade, that darker green. I'm just going to use this B2 brush from Blend Bunny, and I'm basically just going to start by creating a little bit of kind of like a V in the outer corner, kind of going up like this and then down like this. I'm kind of just creating that little shape out there. I'll also add some to that lower lash line, particularly in like the outer half, and then just make sure that's really connecting into this lid situation. Just nice and rich and green. Love it. I love green eyeshadow. So to start blending that out, I'm gonna take this mid-tone green here at the bottom. I'm gonna use this kind of stubby little fluffy brush from Simply Posh. And I'm simply just gonna start blending the outside edges of this look, taking that really all around everything that I just did. Again, focused on really this outer portion of the eye for the most part, and just doing lots of blendy stuff. Honestly, I can't even believe February's already over. I feel like Christmas was yesterday and now we're already in March. I don't know where the time went. It's kind of blowing my mind a little bit. Moving into the Sorceress Smoke palette. This palette is very beloved by me. I want to blend it out with kind of this murkier green, kind of change the tone of this a little bit. So I'm going to take Herbal. And I'm just going to use this little Fantasy Cosmetica brush. This is the E02. And again, just kind of focusing around the edges of what I've already done, kind of keeping it on this upper portion, kind of blending the edge of that more rich, vibrant green with this kind of yellowy tone murky green. Just want to kind of play with a mixture of colors in here. I feel like playing with different undertones of green in the same space is just, it's so pretty. I think it can add just so much cool interest and dimension. Let's move on to some shimmer now. I'm going to take my Beaute Bar Shimmer Stay. I'm just going to plop a little of that on my lids and blend it out. This is just going to create a nice base for my shimmer. It's going to help it stay put and pop to its fullest potential. So just kind of running that all over my lids. As much as I love wearing like fake nails and press-ons and stuff, there's something about just having my short nails that make me feel so free, like I can do all the things again. So I'm going to be using two shimmers on the main lid. So I'm going to start with this beautiful shifty green in the Nomad palette. Look at that. That is a pretty green. You can't deny it. So I'm going to start by just kind of pressing that in the outer half of my lid. I want this to just sort of blend in with all the shimmer I have going on. It's so bright, and I feel like it almost has a mirror effect. It's so pretty. Just kind of gently blending at the edge of that shimmer just so it flows into this matte situation nicely. Ooh, I love it. And then going back in the Sorceress Smoke, I'm gonna take Transfixed, another beautiful green. Ooh, look at that. I feel like it's kind of like a mixture of a dingy green with a little bit of a mint. It's so pretty. Ooh, yes. Yes, 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 yes. I love that. These palettes play really, really nice together. I mean, I'm not surprised, but it's just fun to see it play out. So for the lower lash line, I did want to add that pop of gold. So I was kind of thinking the Ring of Kerry shade. I think that could be nice. I like this one as well, but I like that this one's more of like a rich, almost like melted looking gold. It's so pretty. Just using the Sigma E30 brush and just kind of placing that here in that front little portion of my lower lash line, and letting it just kind of fade and blend into the greens I already have going on down here. And finally for the inner corner, I was kind of just thinking Sorceress would be pretty. Let's add this like kind of peachy tone to it. I don't know, just thought it'd be nice. I think that looks nice. I like it. Let's add some little face gems now. I think that'll be cool. So yeah, I just have this little pack here from Diveroon. I'm just gonna grab my tweezers and I'm just gonna pick random shades. I think I'll start with maybe one of these mid-toned ones, kind of like a medium size. Maybe place that like out here. Okay, that looks good. And then maybe like an emeraldy one kind of above it. Maybe a second small emeraldy one like over here as well. Something like that. I'm just gonna kind of play around. I'm gonna take this kind of dingy colored one and place it here, just like a teeny one. I feel like I want maybe another one of those like mid-toned greens out there. Yeah, kind of like an emerald mid-tone green sort of situation. I think these are good. These 5, I like them. All right, added on just mascara today. It felt like just a mascara day, and the eye pencil I used is Jackpot Jinx from Kaleidos just to bring forth more of that gold. I love this look. I think it came out so pretty, but I need to add a lip, and I'm thinking just something light, nudie, goldish, glossy. That's kind of what I'm thinking. So I'm gonna start with the, what are you? The Savannah pencil from Kaleidos. I'm just gonna line and lightly fill in with this. Just kind of blending that with my finger. And then over that, I was kind of thinking this Jake the Dog gloss from Adventure Time would be nice because it's definitely got like that yellowy gold. It has a little bit of a pinky shift, which I feel like ties into that inner corner. And it has a little bit of a greeny shift too. So we'll see how this looks. If it looks terrible, I'll take it off. Yeah, I feel like the pinky gold is the most prominent part. But you know what? I actually kind of like that. I actually quite like it. Just kind of simple. I forgot that this has like a brush tip and not like a traditional doe foot. I don't love that. It's one thing when you know what you're getting into, but it's another when you forget and it's like, ooh, that's a texture I wasn't expecting. Thank you so much for watching. I love how this turned out. I think these greens are so pretty. I'm liking it a lot with just the simple glossy lip. I'm liking the gems, the different tones of green that are going on. I love it. The pop of gold. I had fun today. I really hope you enjoyed. If you made it to the end of this video, leave some green emojis. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Helps my channel out a lot. And if you're not already, you can follow me over on Instagram. I'm BATTYBEAN over there. And you can also subscribe if you want to see more videos. You're also welcome to hop over to my second channel linked in my description box if you want additional content. And also in my description box is a link to my channel memberships. There's a couple different tiers with a couple different perks, and I would love to have you. If you enjoyed this video and want to keep watching, I'll pop a similar one on the screen. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll catch you in the next one.